What's up everybody? Pete with Auto Repair Tips. Bringing you another pro tip. I had a customer bring me like an 01 or 02 Honda Civic and he was smelling excessive gas in the car. And he was driving like that for a month or so. Every once in a while he would see a drip under the car, but the gas fumes inside the car were horrible. And let me show you the importance of making sure if you smell gas that you need to get it checked out. Look what this customer was driving in. On this particular Honda here, the gas tank fuel pump is under the seat. And this is how it came in, sitting like this. And what happened was, and I have videos on this that I'll put links above and in the description that you can go check out. If you look at the plastic ring right here, look at that. It's just old and got brittle and it broke and it popped loose and the gas was filling up right inside here. I can't begin to tell you how dangerous that is to ride around smelling gas, not knowing where it's coming from, entering your car like that. If he were to light a cigarette or his friend was in the back seat and they lit a cigarette and they sparked it and had all those fumes in there, that car would have caught on fire. So if you're smelling gas like that in your car and you're not capable of looking at it, but you have a friend who is, let that guy look at it. If you don't know anybody who can look at it, take it somewhere, a dealership, an independent shop. But if you have a gas smell, it needs to be addressed. All right, guys, that is it for this video. I appreciate you watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Catch you later.